250, 250, got a 95. Hit 250, 95. Hit 250, 95. The bid's in the front of the truck. 95. Butcher out. Hit 92, 50, give me 95. See yes. Hit 92, 50, 95. Hit 250, 50, 95. 90, give me 250, 95. 9,500. That's all we're asking for this gorgeous truck. Custom cab. It's got it all. 7.5. 7.5. 95 now, give me 97 bid. Is that a yes? 95 now, 97 bid. 95 now, give me 97 bid. Your telephone bidder's out. 95, show me he's out. We got 95 on the floor. 97 bid, 95. He's walking out to talk to him. 95, 97 bid, 95. Give me 95, 97.5. 97.5. Is that a no? It is. 97.5, get ready, got it, the 10, the 10,000, get ready, roll it out, the 10 and 10, the 10 and 10 and 10, and give you 10,000, 10, and 97 and 10. 10, 10, hit 10, not 10, 5, hit 10, not 10, 5, not 10, give me 10,500, not 10, 10, 5, hit 10,000, you want in, sir? Hit 10, not 10, 5, hit 250, not 10, 5, hit 250, not 10, 5, this is what it counts, hit 10, 250, not 10, 5, let's buy it, hit 10, 250, not 10, 5, got it, not 7.5, now 7.5, hit 10, 5, not 750, not 10, 5, not 750, hit 10, 7, now 11,000, sir, hit bid 11, hit 10, 7, give me 11,000, 11,000, 11,000, 10, 7, should be bringing 15, easy, hit 10, 7, 11,000, one more time, sir, one more time, 11,000, 11,000, yes? That's chance. 11, got it. 250. 11, 2.5. You almost owned it. 11, 2.5. Is that a yes? 11, 250. You're out, sir. 11, 2.5. Is that a yes, sir? 11, 250. Is that a yes? 11, 250. Everybody else, hands up. It's 11, 250. Are you sure? He's going to go home and drive your truck. 11, 2.5. Sold. You got a good buy there. Sold. $11,000. What's the number? Sold.